everyone, and welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Final Straw 2.0 in the color Pirate's Booty Black. So this straw cost $29.95 on Amazon plus tax, so it totaled to about $32.05, which you think, hey, that's about as much as a Hydro Flask. So let's see if this is actually worth the price. And since the black was a little bit more expensive, the normal prices would be $24.99, technically $25 on Amazon. I only had to wait about 2 nights, which is a crazy fast shipping time, and I've never really had that happen, so I was just very thankful. Anyways, let's get to the actual product. So I'm just going to show you a little 360 on the packaging. It's actually really nice. The great thing about this specific brand by Final Straw is that it also donates 1% of its proceeds to the planet. So then here it actually shows what is included in the packaging. So we have a keychain, a case, a cleaning brush that's sort of a kaleidoscope style, and I'll show you the folding straw, which is the main showcase of this product. So once you open it up, it really just says Final Straw on the top. Another great thing about this product is that it also includes its instructions literally on the box, so it doesn't waste any more paper than it has to. So it's pretty self-explanatory, just really explains how to hand wash it safely and how to take care of it and all that fun stuff. Also, another cute thing they included in the packaging is this little card that you have to leave behind when you get a plastic straw in your drink. And basically it's a little passive-aggressive thing saying that I paid $30 so that I wouldn't get a plastic straw. Thank you very much. Next, I'm just going to do a little 360 of the actual product. So we have the final branding on the front. Then it sort of looks like a little pepper spray thing all around with a cute little keychain to attach it to something. And on the inside, it says suck responsibly. The magnetic closing isn't really like the AirPod kind of thing, but it keeps it nice and secure, so obviously it won't fall out. Next, I'm going to demonstrate why you specifically had to pay $30 for the straw. Ta-da! So on the actual straw, you can see it literally says Final Straw, and then this whole little silicone piece goes from this end to the other end, and it sort of acts like a little tent connectors, if that makes sense. So it folds just like this, super easy and compact, and then you can go cha, and you have a whole entire karate stick at your service. Aside from the fact that this is a super entertaining straw to play with, another reason why it's probably patented is because of the very conveniently located cleaning brush found within the actual travel pack. So whoever genius made this up invented this telescopic sort of style, and the reason why I say that is because it decreases in size and it increases in size. The cleaning brush is a little over halfway the length of the actual straw, so then you can conveniently clean it on both ends of the straw. And another thing is it also has a stopper, so it will never get stuck in the straw, which is super smart. Props to those designers out there. Overall, my opinion on this straw is very positive. I've never seen any product like this on the market, and the only place you can find this really is Amazon or earthhero.com. And since I don't really have a biased opinion because obviously I'm not sponsored by Final Straw, this is a genuine review. One criticism that I do have about the Final Straw is that why am I paying like $6 just for the fact that the straw is black and the case is black? And another thing is, why am I paying $30 when this case is just made out of plastic? So I wish maybe this would be like silicone, but preferably in any case metal. My very last criticism is about the case, and I think it'd be more travel friendly if this keychain was instead a carabiner, because I personally would attach it to my backpack or a lanyard, and I feel like it just make more sense to have that versus keys, because not everyone is going to have keys with their straw. In conclusion, is this straw really worth the $30 price tag? And I would say sort of. And by sort of, I mean it's a luxury straw. And by that, I mean it's like the OG straw that really kick-started all of these reusable straws, stainless steel straws, bamboo straws, all that fun stuff. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave it a like, comment in the comment section below, and hope you all have a wonderful day.